Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Kumar and I'm a third year undergrad student at Lovely Professional University. And today I'll be explaining a Laravel project, which is TaskIt. TaskIt is a modern task management app which is designed to help users organize daily activities with ease. And it features user authentication, calendar integration, and also task reminders which will be sent to the emails of the logged in user. So let's get started. I'll be set to the sign up page and I'll straight away log in as I've already signed up. So here I'll log in. So here you can see that I'm signed in. So you'll be able to see tasks. These tasks can be filtered based on the priority and the status. So let's suppose I want to check the status of my completed tasks. So I'll straight away apply this filter. These are the tasks which I've already done. So what if I want to create a task? I'll straight away go to this calendar section. And here you can see all the tasks which are pending. Red simplifies that it's of utmost importance. So let's suppose I want to make here complete project. So status will be set to pending. Your due date will be set. Priority you can set accordingly. I'll set it normal. Right. So I'll save it. So after saving, what will happen is you'll receive an email which states your task. And here you can set the timer also that till what interval you'll receive the task. So I'll just so yeah. So right away you can see that a reminder is sent to your mail that is complete your project. So right. Yeah. This part is done. So next thing is timesheets. So here you can add your timesheets, uh, how much hours you have worked your project for. So I'll add a timesheet here. You will be able to select the tasks which I have logged in already. So I'll complete this. Yeah. So I'll set the date on what date I did this part. So for example, I worked for 6 hours. Done. And lost it. I'll submit it. I'll be able to see the timesheet entry here. And here, these are the sections which is made by Ronak. So I'll be able to see hours I have worked for what task, and this will show me the status it's pending or completed. Here the graph will be shown, and here's the dashboard. Yeah, it will tell the overall task which I've done, and that's it. So now let's move on to the code base. So this part here you will be able to see that the app section mainly creates the logic what you have made for all these features. So controllers basically help you to manage all these features here. Auth controller was nothing but just for the authorization part, and your calendar controller, what your calendar will do, how the things are passed between your models and your views. It acts. Here, all the controllers are present, and here the models basically create presents you with the tables. And this notification part is just for sending you notification reminder into the email, right? So this resources part will contain all the CSS of the front end. The front end views will be present here. So this is the basic layout. You can see here the main front end part is present here. It will be passed to the controllers. It will create the task in the calendar section. This is shown. You create it and you edit it. This part is shown. And the main part is the route. How your routes will be handled. So here if you are not authorized or basically you're not authenticated, you will straight away get to the landing page. And if you are logged in or you're authorized, you'll straight away go to the dashboard which are tasks. So here these all are the authenticated outside. So authentication is just a middleware set, so that only the logged in users can access all these routes. So these are all the basic routes set here. Yeah.
Thank you, Aditya, for explaining all the parts. Hello, everyone. My name is Ronak Singh. Now onwards, I'm going to explain the some of the functionality of our project. So let me start with this dashboard page. So This actually shows the analytics of the user, what user have done, how many tasks he have logged in, how many pending tasks are there, or how many hours he is working on. So quickly, let's go and see the code. So this is the dashboard controller.php. Here we are writing the code for the dashboard. So starting with this is the controller actually. So we are importing the request class because the request is coming from the form, so request class is necessary. Next is DB class we are requesting because we are going to interact with the database as well. So here we are doing three things. We are first of all counting the tasks and counting the how many hours the user have been working. And here we are showing this task status, task priority, and recent task if there are any recent tasks. And we are fetching this data from the database actually. So with the help of query builder functions like group by select, we are fetching the data from the database. So let's move to the next page, that is timesheets. This is a form actually. So user can add any information from here and it will be saved in the database. So this is the form here. So let's see the code for the timesheet controller.php. So for this, we are making a resource controller. And in resource controller, we are going to have the CRUD operations here. So different type of functions for the CRUD operations. For here we can see index functions for showing all the data from the database, and for creating if user wants to create anything. So this function is responsible for that. And the second thing is store functions. So if when the user is passing some request from the form, so we are getting that request here in this function, and this function is going to validate that request and going to save that or store that data in the database. Next functions are edit, update, and delete. So for edit and update, we can update, user can update any task, how many hours he have worked, he can change that as well. And at last, destroy is a function for the destroying or deleting the task. Now let's see the another functionality of this project, that is sending the notifications. We can send when the user is getting logged in here, we are storing its email address in the database, and by the help of that email we can send the notifications, means how many hours are left for the task, and if task is not completed we can send a different type of notifications. So for notifications we're using the notification class, and we are importing here as well. So mail message class is also important for that, so we are importing here. Have been sent it now to the user. So here you can see this is the button, which is actually action button we have seen in the code previously. And this is the body, and this is the notification email. So by the help of this code, we can send notifications to user as well. This all were the part which I have to explain. That's all. Thank you very much.